Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. Today, we are going to have a friendly conversation and get to know each other better. How are you today?
Hello, everyone. I am doing very well. Thank you. I am happy to be here and excited to have this conversation.
That's great to hear. Let's start with a simple introduction. Can you tell us your name and a little about yourself?
Of course. My name is Sarah. I live in London and I work as a graphic designer. I enjoy learning new things, reading books, and spending time with my friends and family.
That sounds wonderful. How long have you been living in London?
I have been living in London for almost 5 years now. Before that, I lived in a smaller town. Moving to London was a big change for me.
What was the biggest difference between living in a small town and living in a large city?
The biggest difference is the pace of life. In a small town, everything feels slower and quieter. In London, people are always busy, and there's always something happening.
Do you enjoy that busy lifestyle?
Sometimes I do because there are many opportunities and activities. However, there are times when I miss the peace and quiet of a smaller town.
I think many people feel the same way. Large cities can be exciting, but they can also be stressful.
Yes, that's true. It is important to find a balance between work and relaxation.
Speaking of work, what do you enjoy most about being a graphic designer?
I enjoy being creative. Every project is different, and I like finding new ways to solve problems and communicate ideas through design.
That sounds interesting. Do you work from home or in an office?
Most of the time, I work from home. Sometimes I meet clients or colleagues in person, but remote work has become very common.
What are the advantages of working from home?
I save time because I do not have to travel to an office every day. I can also create a comfortable workspace that helps me focus.
And what are the disadvantages?
Yes, I think remote work has both benefits and challenges.
That makes sense. Many people have similar experiences. Let's talk about your daily routine. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at around 7 o'clock in the morning. I like to start my day early.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. Then I make breakfast and prepare for the day.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat oatmeal, fruit, or toast with eggs. I try to eat healthy food in the morning.
Do you think breakfast is important?
Yes, I do. A good breakfast gives me energy and helps me stay focused during the day.
I agree. Many people skip breakfast because they are busy, but it can make a big difference.
Absolutely. Even a simple breakfast is better than nothing.
After breakfast, how do you spend the rest of your morning?
I usually check my emails, review my tasks, and start working on my projects.
Do you make a daily plan?
Yes, I do. I like writing down my goals for the day. It helps me stay organized and productive.
That's a great habit. Planning can save a lot of time.
Exactly. Well, it also reduces stress because I know what needs to be done.
Let's move on to hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books, watching movies, and going for long walks. I also like learning new skills online.
What kind of books do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy self-improvement books, biographies, and sometimes fiction novels.
Do you have a favorite book?
One of my favorite books is about personal growth and developing good habits. I found it very inspiring.
That's wonderful. Reading can be a great way to learn and relax at the same time.
I completely agree. Books allow us to learn from other people's experiences.
That's very interesting. Now let's talk a little more about hobbies. You mentioned reading books and watching movies. How often do you usually read?
I try to read almost every day, even if it is just for 20 or 30 minutes. It helps me relax before going to sleep.
That's a good habit. Do you prefer digital books or physical books?
I prefer physical books. I like holding a book and turning the pages. It feels more real and enjoyable.
I understand. Many people feel the same way. What kind of movies do you like?
I like inspirational movies and sometimes comedy films. I enjoy movies that make me feel positive.
Do you watch movies alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends or family. Watching movies together makes the experience more fun.
That's true. Let's move to another topic. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. It is one of my favorite activities.
What places have you visited recently?
Recently, I visited a few cities in the UK. I enjoyed exploring new places, trying different food, and meeting new people.
What is your dream travel destination?
I would love to visit Japan one day. I am very interested in their culture, technology, and food.
Japan is a great choice. Do you like trying different types of food when you travel?
Yes, absolutely. I think food is one of the best parts of traveling.
Let's talk about your goals. What is your main goal in life right now?
My main goal is to improve my English and grow in my career. I want to become more confident in communication.
That's a very important goal. Why do you think English is important for you?
English helps in communication with people around the world. It also gives more job opportunities and confidence.
Very true. Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I try to practice speaking and listening daily. Even small practice makes a big difference.
That's excellent. Consistency is the key to learning any language.
Yes, I agree. Even if I make mistakes, I try to keep speaking.
Mistakes are part of learning. Do you feel confident when you speak English now?
I feel more confident than before, but I still need more practice to become fluent.
That's completely normal. Improvement takes time.
Yes, I am patient with myself and keep learning step by step.
Let's end this part with a final question. What advice would you give to English learners?
My advice is to practice every day, even for a few minutes. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Just keep speaking.
That's very powerful advice. Practice and consistency are the keys to success.
Yes, and I think enjoying the process is also very important.
Absolutely. Thank you for this wonderful conversation today.
Thank you as well. I really enjoyed talking about all these topics.